Hello, my name is George, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process for doing powerful keyword research using Semrush. But this isn't just a basic overview. You're going to learn exactly how to find high-volume, low-competition keywords that actually bring traffic to your site. I'll show you how to analyze keyword difficulty, understand search intent, spot trends, and use tools like the Keyword Magic tool and Strategy Builder to map out a full SEO content strategy from scratch. We'll be using a real example, zenbusiness.com, so you can see the process in action and follow along in real time. Now, if you don't have a Semrush account yet, I've partnered with them to hook you up with a 14-day free trial of the Pro plan. Just use the special link in the description to get started. All right, let's dive right in. Welcome to the Semrush homepage. There's a lot going on here, but don't worry, my job is to walk you through the tools that actually matter and help you get ranked on Google. Let's begin by clicking on the Keyword Magic tool on the left sidebar. Let's start with the keyword form an LLC. Semrush shows this is a competitive keyword with a keyword difficulty of 77. You'll get tons of keyword suggestions, but it's not about picking what you think sounds good. It's about understanding what people are actually searching for. When you type in something like form an LLC, Semrush shows us a whole list of variations, and this is where we find real keyword opportunities. Let's go over what the different columns mean. First up is intent. These icons show the purpose behind the search. N is navigational. They want to visit a specific site. I is informational. They want to learn more. C is commercial. They're considering options before buying. And T is transactional. They're ready to take action. Next is KD, or keyword difficulty. This tells you how hard it is to rank for a term, from 0 to 100. The lower the number, the easier it will be to rank. But here's something even better. Semrush gives you a personalized keyword difficulty. When you enter your own domain, in this case zenbusiness.com, Semrush will calculate how hard it is for your site specifically to rank for that keyword. So even though the general KD for how much does it cost to form an LLC is 41, the personalized KD is 0, which means Zen Business has a very strong chance to rank in the top 3 positions. If you click into the keyword, you'll also see a trend graph. This tells you how the keyword's popularity has changed over time. Try to focus on terms with stable or rising interest, not sudden spikes. And the SF column shows which search features appear on Google's results page, like AI overviews, featured snippets, and so on. If there are too many features, especially AI ones, your site could get pushed further down the page. So that's something to watch out for. Now, based on all this data, we can confidently say that how to form an LLC in California is a solid keyword to go after. It's relevant, has good volume, and it's very doable for zenbusiness.com based on our personalized KD score. Next, let's test out a broader keyword, LLC. Type that in, hit search, and take a look. Immediately, you'll notice much higher search volumes, more mixed intent types, and a wider range of topics. Now, click on the questions filter at the top of the table. This is where the gold is. You'll find questions real people are asking. Check out some of these: how to start an LLC, how to set up an LLC, and how to register an LLC. Let's take one, like how to set up an LLC, and open a new incognito window to search for it on Google. Now scroll to the bottom of the results page and look at the people also search for section. This shows you other related topics that you could target in the same article, expanding your reach without creating separate posts for every variation. Now, I know what you're thinking. This Keyword Magic tool is great if you already have a specific keyword in mind. But what if you're just getting started and want to build a content strategy from scratch? Well, that's where the Keyword Strategy Builder comes in. Let's head back to Semrush and click on Keyword Strategy Builder from the left-hand menu. This tool is like a turbocharged version of the Keyword Magic tool. Instead of just analyzing one keyword, here you can enter up to 5 seed keywords related to your topic. Semrush will then generate keyword groups and organize them by themes and difficulty. Let's click Create List so I can show you how it works. After a short wait, Semrush has processed your inputs and found thousands of keyword opportunities organized into topics and clusters. For example, you might see something like this: 4.2 thousand keywords spread across 10 topics and hundreds of supporting subpages. But what does this actually mean for you? Well, this is how you build out a full content strategy. Instead of writing random blog posts here and there, you're building topic clusters, content hubs that establish topical authority and help you rank across multiple related terms. Each topic cluster is centered around a pillar page, which is like your main guide or article for a specific theme. That pillar page then links to supporting content covering long-tail keywords and subtopics in depth. You can visualize it as a big circle, the top, with one strong page in the middle, the pillar, and lots of spokes around it, the subpages. To get a clear overview, click Collapse All Topics at the top right. This gives you a bird's eye view of your clusters. Let's say we spot a topic like benefits of forming an LLC. We can click to expand and see that the pillar page ranks for dozens of related keywords and the subpages target even more. This is where it might feel overwhelming, so Semrush gives us filters to help prioritize. Use the Best For strategy filter to see high impact keywords that balance volume and difficulty. Easy Start gives you low hanging fruit. More potential traffic helps you scale. And Quick Conversions is great if you're after leads or sales fast. Once you've identified your topic cluster, the next step is to start creating content. You can do that right inside Semrush using the Create Brief or Content button. Super helpful if you want to keep your team aligned or send it off to a writer. Now, let's say you've already written some articles and you're starting to rank for a few keywords. Awesome. So, how do you build on that momentum? Well, that's where the organic research tool comes in. The search results page is a battlefield, and this tool helps you understand where you already stand. Let's enter zenbusiness.com into the domain search bar and hit search. You will instantly see a dashboard showing monthly organic traffic and the number of keywords the site is currently ranking for in the top 100 results, which is what counts. Scroll down and you will see which specific keywords you're ranking for, how your rankings have changed over time, and how much traffic each one is driving. Click View All Keywords to see the full list. This is where things get fun. To find ranking opportunities, let's filter by position. Click the Positions dropdown and set a custom range from position 2 to 10, then hit Apply. These are the keywords where you're close to the top, but not quite there yet. This table looks a bit different from the Keyword Magic tool, so here's what to pay attention to. Traffic. How many monthly visitors you're getting from that keyword. Traffic percentage. The share of traffic that keyword brings to that specific page. Volume. The total number of monthly searches. That's your opportunity size. And URL. Which page on your site is ranking. If you want to focus on keywords with more upside, sort by volume. You will spot golden opportunities like Illinois Business Search. Click on a keyword to dive into its potential. That brings us to the Keyword Overview tool, where you can inspect your competition, paste in your keyword, and enter zenbusiness.com again in the domain box to get personalized insights. You'll get a breakdown of KD and personalized KD, potential traffic, where you currently rank, and how likely it is for your site to improve rankings. If your expected ranking is the same as your current one, it means your chances of improvement are limited. Maybe because you're competing with huge domains like LegalZoom, Investopedia, or government websites. Check the Domain Authority Score column to see why. Higher authority equals stronger competition. But don't let that stop you. The best way to build authority is by consistently publishing helpful content and getting backlinks from credible sites. So if you want to go after a tough keyword like LLC formation, go back to the strategy builder, plug in related phrases, and start creating content that builds authority around that space. And remember, this is just step one. Content creation is only the beginning. You also need to promote, optimize, and build links if you want long-term results. And by the way, you can get an extended 14-day free trial of Semrush. That's double the usual 7 days, exclusively through my link in the description. The perfect chance to test out all the tools and see what Semrush can really do for your business. The link is in the description.